inyo, ano ang natutunan niyo sa love team ng Carmel at ng Kinsey?
Okay lang po ba tawagin ko na po kayo Mama Ogs?
Okay lang.
Mama Ogs.
Go.
Nagaling rin po sa inyo, sabi niyo wala talagang forever. Personally, I don't believe in forever because nothing is permanent. So parang ako, ang natutunan ko is focus on the now. So kung ano po yung meron ngayon, i-enjoy talaga. And then, wag munang isipin yung future too much kasi parang dun lumalabas yung worries, yung parang expectation. So parang kung ano yung meron ngayon, ina-enjoy lang po namin. And kapag ka may mga nagkakamali, of course, napag-uusapan po, ganun. Kasi, paano ba? Hindi na rin po kasi para sa akin, hindi na din ako mabata kami. So parang for me, hindi na laro yung mga ganito. Like, professional pa din naman po kami when it comes to work. And dinalabas po namin yung whatever na halimbawa meron mga misunderstandings, gano'n. Pero okay naman po kami, like, okay naman kami na.
Ano naman nagtatamanin tayo? Hindi, natutunan sa kanila. Ako natutunan ko sa kanilang dalawa is paano sila makapag-inspire ng tao eh. Kasi kahit ano naman sabihin natin lahat dito, wala naman nakakaalam kung paano talaga ito yung relationship nila. So I guess i-leave natin doon sa kanila. Pero in the fact, paano sila magtrabaho, paano sila magpasaya, paano sila napupuyat, paano sila gumagawa ng isang karakter na hindi nila pa nagagawa, para lang alam yun, makapag-inspire ng mga tao. Yun yung natutunan ko sa kanila. And kung paano sila nag-give back doon sa mga tao na yun. And yeah, kasi sabihin na natin, kunyari, love team sila, magkarelasyon, nadadala lang sa work yung mga pag-aaway namin, pero mahirap din naman itago yung mga away namin, di ba? Pero sa harap ng mga taong na-inspire natin, kailangan namin cover up yun. Di ba? Mukha lang kayang make-upan, pero yung mga pinagdadaan namin hindi. So, yun yung mga bagay na tututunan sa mga.
Okay. Marvin.
I hate going after you. Okay, sige, yung sa akin naman, aside from everything that he said, which is, all right, and I agree, inisip ko lang lagi yun, di ba, 10 years sila nagsama ni Catherine and Daniel, right, 10, 11, I knew them even before my showbiz, and I watched those movies when I was back in Italy, and I was thinking then about you, and I was like, okay, we're an official love team. We might be working for a long time. Am I ready to spend, between my 20 to my 30s, 10 years of my life when we got 100 with this person that you don't even know if you're gonna end up with? And I was really asking myself if I'm willing to do that. And, I thought about it, and honestly, with all of your pros and cons, with all of them, I'm still willing to spend 10 years with you. Oh, ano, Jerome?
Chika ako, hindi ko narinig. Pasensya na.
How can we go after that?
Grabe talaga si Marco. Pero, gagaling sumagot ng dalawa. For me, natutunan ko po siguro dun sa kanila is enjoy every moment because you never know if it's gonna last. So enjoy the process, enjoy how you guys gonna grow with each other. Because yun nga po, hindi natin alam kung hanggang kailan maglalas yung love team. So yeah, just enjoy the moment and be happy now. We have project together and I'm happy that she's my Haya, she's my Ellie. So yun.
I'm just happy with everything that we're gonna do this project together, and I'm really thankful with Viva. Pero one thing I really learned is just enjoy every moment. Yeah. Sorry, hindi ganun kagaling sasagot ko sa akin. Pero yun lang. Thank you.